I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, so this is a quick little video I'm shooting from my place of work. We just ordered a computer to go with this Amatrol trainer, and it's a Dell Inspiron. Let's see, not sure the exact model. It's an Inspiron of some sort. There's the box right there. It is a Inspiron 3880. It has Intel Core i5 CPU. It's got an optical drive, I think 1 terabyte hard drive, probably either I think 8 or 16 gigs of RAM. But get this, guys, I'm going to prop my phone up here on a stand, so the video might be sideways for a sec. So I want y'all to have a listen to this. So the computer is just fresh out of the box. There's something loose in there. This is not the first time I've seen a brand new Dell system literally with stuff loose inside of it. So yeah, I'm going to take the side panel off and see if I can figure out what that is. I bet you it's probably something to do with the front bezel. The last time this happened, it was practically the same thing. This was 4 years ago. I set up 2 brand new Dell systems, and it's practically the same thing. It's something loose inside this thing. And it's in the front bezel. Pretty sure. Let me see if I can snap that off there. Yep. Where was it? Just hit the floor. Not sure if it was a screw or what. Actually, I think I found it right here. Yep, guys, look at this. So let me show you the system. I got the, of course, the side panel and the front bezel off of it. No idea where this came from. Looks like a screw that would be used to secure the wireless card. But the wireless card is secured in there. So no idea. It's kind of to show you guys. These they don't build computers like they used to. You know, OEMs like Dell and HP used to be their pre-built systems were pretty solid, but this is pretty bad. And you have loose screws inside the thing. And somebody just shut the lights off on me. So I had to sync this time. Well, last time it was a piece of broken plastic off the front bezel. This time, however, it was actually a screw, and it looks kind of like the ones they used to secure the optical drive with. Just looking to see if there's any spots on here where there's a missing screw. But yeah, the thing is, you got a little screw like that, and perhaps it could have fell on the motherboard. That could definitely cause problems. And like I say, these newer systems, they're just not built that well. I'll be straight up honest with you. They're just not built that great. Come on, Dell, you gotta do better than this. Loose screws in your systems, fresh out of the box. So is your customer supposed to have to open a system up to empty it of loose screws upon receipt? Come on. Anyways, yeah, let me go ahead and put this thing back together real quick. Okay, so it's all back together. Again, guys, come on. This is ridiculous. Dell, you gotta do better than this. I'd like to see some better quality control. I mean, having computers out of the box with random loose screws. Just you're just loose inside the system. That's not very acceptable. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.